Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Mollie to your Shopify store. So first you have to log into your Shopify store admin panel, and from here you can find settings at the bottom left corner. Simply click on settings. Now here you can find a bunch of settings here, so you have to go to the payments. Now after going to the payments you can find add payment method. You have to simply click on add payment method. Now you can find a search bar, so you can simply search for Mollie. If it's not found by here, you can search for by provider. So you can also search for Mollie, but I don't have this right now. Make sure that Mollie is available in your region. If Mollie is not available right now, Mollie is not available in my region, that's why it's not showing. So if Mollie is not available in your region, so there is nothing to do. You can nothing you can do to add Mollie to your Shopify. So if there's Mollie is available in your region, then you can find the Mollie. You can simply click on that Mollie and here, and you can add your credentials on your Mollie account, like your username, your email, your password, then verify. Then it will actually redirect you to Mollie window where you have to confirm and verify the integrations with Shopify store and give the confirmation, and you are good to go. And that's how you can just easily connect Mollie on your Shopify store. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.